What's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can force restart your Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus. Let's go. Welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio, and in this channel, we do life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell while you're down there. All right, let's get right to it. So I'm going to show you how to force restart your device. So it's super simple. Let's say you are maybe stuck on an app for some reason, and you just want to perform a force restart to see if you can get the device working normally again. So how you do that is you hold the volume down and that Gemini or power lock button for a couple seconds until the screen completely blacks out, and then you release. All right, so let's go and do that now. Volume down, power lock button at the same time. If you see this power off menu appear, no problem, just continue holding. And then once you see it turn off like that, you can release. Now we just have to give it a couple seconds for it to automatically boot back on by itself. And there you go, the device has booted back on. So now we can, hopefully it will be unfrozen and it will start working normally again for you. So there you go. That is how you force restart and reboot your Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus. Go ahead and destroy that like button if this video helped you out, and comment down below and let me know if it did. Still holding on to an old device? Well, with Redevice, you can get an instant price and sell it in seconds. No hassle work, no guesswork. And if you're upgrading, you can shop certified devices too. Check it out at Redevice, link down below. So that's all for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. As always,